Welcome folks, this is the Hindu 5th of Jan. Center clears the 19,744 crore green hydrogen mission. This is an important one. Green hydrogen mission. Plan is to reduce fossil fuel imports, decarbonize major sectors of economy and turn the country into a global hub of production and export of green hydrogen and its derivative. We should read this cutout first. GH2 promises and challenges. Hydrogen produced is said to be green if all its input are green. Decarbonization plans of many countries include green hydrogen, that is GH2, because combusting hydrogen releases only heat and steam. 60% of India's energy comes from fossil fuel sources. The production mode of choice of green hydrogen is through the electrolysis of water. Another one is India currently lacks the required electrolyzers and need cheaper renewable resources. Technologies to adapt hydrogen fuel cells for use in vehicle are largely immature in India. Hydrogen leaks easily and liquid hydrogen reacts explosively with air, incurring significant storage and transport costs. This is the cutout, and it has represented five major points regarding the GH2 as a fuel and as a replacement for fossil fuels. So let's go for the main article. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the National Green Hydrogen Mission with the initial outlay of 19,744 crore in a move aimed at making the country a global hub to produce, utilize, and export green hydrogen and its derivative. The government expects that the initiative will help the abate nearly 50 million tons of annual greenhouse gas emission by 2030 and cumulatively reduce fossil fuels import estimated at over 1 lakh crore. Briefing press person about the cabinet decision, Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur said the mission would be instrumental in making India energy independent and decarbonizing major sectors of economy. Initial outlay includes 17,490 crore for the strategic intervention for green hydrogen transition program. This should be important. Site 1,466 crore for pilot projects, 400 crore for research and development, 388 crore for other mission components. Hydrogen is sought after as a fuel because its combustion releases only steam. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is to formulate the scheme guidelines for implementation of the respective components. Offer initiatives. The government has already announced some incentive with a view to cutting the cost of hydrogen by half by 2030. They include priority power supply for manufacturers, concessions, and short-term waiver for distributors and transmission cost. Representative and Ministry of New and Renewable Energy is expected to operate a single window clearance system for proposals. Thank you.